Last week, we told you about two Idaho laws that are still in effect today. Sex before marriage and adultery, both technically still illegal in the gem state. And while we were looking into those laws, we stumbled upon another that kind of piqued our interest. And it reads, blind persons only may use red or white, or I should say white or red and white canes. This law passed, by the way, back in 1937. Anyone else's mind kind of go toward a candy cane looking thing? Well, some of ours did. We reached out to the Idaho Commission for the Blind and Visually Impaired and asked them if there was a reason behind this law, why they had to be red and white canes, or white, excuse me, and red and white canes. Didn't get an answer back for them, but we did a little bit more digging ourselves. And in the United Kingdom in 1921, after an accident claimed his sight, a man by the name of James Biggs decided to paint his walking stick white to make himself more visible to motorists. Well, 10 years later, the Lions Clubs International jumped on board, and they created a national campaign promoting the use of white canes with a red band for people who suffer from blindness. The white cane then took on a symbolic role as an identifier of the blind and the visually impaired. The Lions Club says white cane laws exist in almost every state in the United States, including Idaho, and those who violate the law can be charged with a misdemeanor, meaning if you use a cane that isn't white or red and white, you could spend up to 6 months in jail and up to $1,000 fine. Wow, pretty stiff.